This company is 10 years plus years old, and just in 10 years, they dominate. They are the preference in the South America and in Mexico.
Hello everyone, I'm Fernando again, here in CastExpo 2025 in a booth, the Q&F Engineer with Carlos Quintella. He showed us a whole solution he represented here in US, and now I'm in another company, yeah?
Yes.
Can
Well,
you
continue
introduce-
our tour
Okay.
of the company that QF Engineering is responsible for as a business developer. We are now at Automatic Foundry Solution, part of the booth. A little bit about Automatic Foundry Solution. It's a company fully dedicated for the cold box process, core shooters for the cold box process. This company is 10 years plus years old, and just in 10 years, they dominate. They are the preference in the South America and in Mexico. We have been competing with two main players from Europe, but we have differentiations. Talking about the process control, the automation of those machines has been outstanding good. We have solutions for replacing the CBs. There is a lot of CBs in the market, old equipment without that deep control, process control, and that's the proposition of few of our machines to replace CBs to a much more totally automated system. Not only automation, but the information you can take from the process to monitor and continuous improvement. For example, this machine job is one of these options for replacing the CBs, plus also converting shell mode to cold box.
Wow.
And there is a outstanding great savings converting shell to cold box. And this machine, for example, we can use the same toolings of the shell, and then there is no investment for you to move it from shell to cold box because you can use the same toolings. Then it's not only the savings regarding the shell to cold box, but also very little investment to convert the core boxes.
Yeah.
Well, we have machines for horizontal, vertical, and horizontal. We have a complete package of solution for core shooters, and it has been very well received. We started a joint venture with a company in India. We are now in India, producing and selling in India. Is a big market, growing dramatically, and very excited about this proposition. And then Fernando continues, let's say, about QF Engineering bringing partners together. When you, for example, starting with the molding line, Kunkel-Wagner, and then if you have a molding line, and then you need the cores, and then if you need the core, you have Valbret for the toolings, and then continue this integration proposition. That's the plan.
Yeah. I completely agree. I understand you. And another question is not only about the machine, but also about how the process works. Yeah.
Yes, process control. Automatic is very much in line with the 4.0 technology, where we collect information, and the machine, when something happens, Fernando, any mistake on the core process, it's kind of the machine talks to the operator, what's happening, and not is up to the operator to try to figure out what's happening. The machine or the process tells the operation what's not performing, what's happening. And then there is integration with the machine and the operator in order to make the process much more reliable.
Wow.
Yeah.
In another moment, we can talk and tell for the audience how that company started, because I know the history. It's incredible, interesting way stuff about that company. Most of the time they don't sell the machine. Yeah.
Yes.
They ask for the client how the process, and then they build the
Yes.
machine to introduce a new
Exactly.
process. Yeah?
We have 10 steps, Fernando. Let's say we are not a company. Let's say the customer wants 40 liter, 60 liter core shooters, and then send me the quote. No, that's not the way that we operate. We go through 10 steps, understanding what the customer, what kind of core, what kind of part the customer wants to produce, and then we go together in those 10 steps. Only in step number 6 is where then, okay, that's the machine you need. We are fully dedicated using the simulation, the Magma C+M, allow us to really understand what's the best practice for this core.
Yeah. When you finish your process to buy machine, you have not only the machine but the process.
All
construction.
established. Yes.
Yeah.
That's the idea. That's integrated engineering.
Integrated engineering. Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
If you have more, need more information about it, please show the description or comment your question, and it's a pleasure to us answer you in your question. Okay, thank you
Fernando.
again.
Thank you.